Okay, my LCD clock on the Pathfinder stopped working, so I'm gonna have to take it apart and fix it. And I'm gonna show you how. So this is the LCD clock. It doesn't work anymore. It used to have digital number here, digital time here, but not anymore. I'm going to have to take it apart and put a screwdriver into here, this corner, and try to. In any case, so here's how I'm going to do it. Here we go. Okay, a little bit of difficulty here. Oh, here we go. Almost out. Here we go. It's out. Okay. So, let's unplug this first. I thought I could, but not really. So let me unscrew these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me unscrew those. Then we'll come back and try to figure this out. Let me take out these 4 screws. This is the bottom. So that's 1. That's 2. 3. And that's 4. And then let's take out these 2 screws as well. So that's one. And that's two. We're now ready to separate. There's ones I think I still have 3 screws to disconnect in order to get this one out. Oh, it just popped loose. Okay, excellent. So I think I can pop it loose. This. Can't remember what I did last year. It's funny, you know. But so let's see here. Yeah, there's a little clip here. 2, 3, 4. 2 on each side. So I think I just need to, you know, pop out the clip, and I should be able to get to the what's underneath the screen, and then I'll be able to solder what's underneath the screen. But the other thing is, I think I can disconnect this plug. You know, so let me try to do that. I don't know why it's not letting me unplug this wire. Oh, here we go. Just pull. Yeah, just pull. There's no trick to it. Now this clock is separated from the thing, so I'm gonna see if I can separate. Oh, want to be extra careful here because the two buttons just, I don't want them to fall off. Yeah. So I'm using my finger to carefully disconnect this. There's one. There's two. Those two are the two buttons. You don't want to lose these. Okay, so let me come back to this in a second. But yeah, so these two are the two buttons that control the time. Anyway, so this is where I am now, and I need to fix this, solder this. So let's go into the room to get brighter light in order to solder these. Okay, I'm gonna have to solder this foot of this IC card. So let me do that now. This foot that's darkened in this IC card 270 is what I'm trying to solder. I just kind of soldered. I'm not sure how good a job. I think it's pretty lousy, but I'll see if it's gonna work. Okay, fixed it. Just gonna have to put it all back together. But in any case, here is. You have to press this button clip. Okay, press it and pull. Well, let me shut off this. Right. Press this, and then you will be able to pull the power off of this, because here the bottom is the place you want to press, and it turned out it's this bottom leg that I need to solder, and so I did that and it worked. So I'm gonna put it back, and hopefully it's working now. Okay, so it's this bottom feet that needs to be soldered, not the top. It's this guy here. Okay, it's this guy here. Okay, so mission accomplished. Feels good. Now it's time to reassemble, and let's see what I need to do here. The rubber need to be the rubber inside, because it's going to protect this. So now I can mate the two pieces together. There you go, with these two buttons. And before I put it back, let's do this. So let's put it here. Okay, I decided to put the 4 screws on first. Okay, let's put these on. So I got 2. This is 3. This is 4. And at the top, there are 2 screws here. You know, so 2 screws on the top and 4 screws at the bottom. Okay, that's in. Okay, so hopefully this is completely fixed. Now just connect. There you go. And just pop back in, and we're in business. Before I pop it in, I just want to make sure it's still working. Yeah, it's still working. Beautiful. So I'm going to pop it back in. All you have to do, it's very easy at this point. It's just push it back in, and you are in business. Okay? How easy it is. See? Time is now 6:35. Oops. $6:35. Okay. And let me test this thing again. Yeah. Every single time it